I hope you are now very interested in the civil rights movement. We have some useful words and idioms in the song We Shall Overcome, as well as in President Johnson's speech. Please keep in mind that President Johnson was a Democrat from the South, and that all the Southern states were Democrat at the time. Therefore, he's going against his political party's political interests. As was the fashion in the 1950s and 60s, people used often words found in the Bible. Most people had learned the Bible in church, whether they were white or African Americans. People attended church regularly at that time. The U.S. was a very religious country. Much of this vocabulary is no longer used in normal conversation. It is important to understand those words to understand the meaning of the speech. This is an opportunity to look closely at each word and infer their meaning. What is the root word? For instance, insecure. The root is secure, and therefore insecure is the opposite of secure. I have drafted two matching words to vocabulary meaning test, one focused on idioms and the other on words. You have 10 minutes to complete each test. Good luck and trust your instinct. Renee.